Hey guys, welcome back to Trading with Sarah. I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'd like to show you how to open an account with Abbado.com step by step. It's super easy to do. So let's get started. Before you start opening an account, make sure you use the link in my bio. Okay, if you use the link in my bio, you're going to be able to take advantage of the 5% deposit bonus. Okay, so make sure you use the link in my bio to get started right away. All right, now once you've clicked the link in my bio, you will be brought to the website. This is the website here. This is what it looks like. Now what you want to do, okay, you want to click on start now. Okay, I believe when you click my link, you're actually going to be directed to this page right away. So you might not have to click start now. So if you are brought to this page right away, then that's fine. The next thing you want to do when you get to this page is to click on registration. Okay, right here. So click on registration. All right, so over here, you just want to fill in your personal information. Just put in your name here, put in your email, password. The promo code to put here is Sarah VIP 3. All right, so that's the promo code you want to put. So just put it there. All right, so once you've written down all your personal information, next thing you want to do is go back to the login page here and then just log in using your email address and the password you used when you were creating the account. Now, once you've logged in, this is basically what your account is look like. Okay, so this is the section where you can see your money, your wallet, and all those type of things. Okay, now the next step is to verify your email address. Now, in order to verify your email address, go to the left here where it says personal info. So click on that and then you'll be brought to this page. And now on this box here where it's showing you your email, on the right side, you'll see it says confirm. So all you got to do is click on confirm. Okay, and then click on send code. All right, now the next thing you want to do is go to your email. You're going to receive a code from Abbado, which you're going to need to copy and paste it over here. And then click submit. Perfect. Now your Abbado email has been verified. You are now good to go. Take care, guys. See you in the next video.